Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really exciting day because we are going to turn this house into a Christmas winter wonderland. We basically have no furniture still because furniture takes a lot longer to get in than I expected, but we can decorate for Christmas. I think Julian's gonna love it. We have tons of stuff. I went shopping. You guys saw that decor shop with me, so I have all that new stuff to use, plus all our stuff from the couple years back that I'm excited about. So I have no idea what my plan is yet. Julian just fell asleep for a nap, so Michael and I are just gonna set up the camera, time-lapse everything, share the whole process of decorating for Christmas. By the way, if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I make new videos every week on fashion and decor, lifestyle, and if you like my shirt, we own a clothing store called Good to Be, and we're having a release, our holiday launch. It's November 15th, 16th, and 17th. You can pre-order any of the items. I'll go ahead and insert some pictures of the other ones, but they're all like super cute, holiday inspired. This one's one of my favorites. 'Tis the season for online shopping, so let's go ahead and get started. We just pulled the tree down from the attic, and this is one that we bought a few years back from Home Depot. They have really good trees. This one is called the 9-foot Sierra Nevada tree. It's just a plain green. It comes pre-lit with clear and multicolored lights. So I think we're gonna set it up right here. Maybe move this chair out of the way. I think it'd be pretty with the window and the steps. So thinking right here will be perfect, and it will kind of frame the living room.
Ooh, Merry Christmas, baby.
So we spend a lot of time like flocking the tree and separating it and making sure it looks full. So that's kind of the trick. I know you guys know this, but just in case you don't, with a fake tree is you spend a lot of time fluffing it. So what's nice is that these are just so bendable and movable, so it seems weird, but like I literally take them and I go straight up in the back so that it just looks really full. And then the closer I get out, I'll do it more like up and out, but towards the back, if you can see right here, I go straight up to kind of make sure that it doesn't have holes. And then this is kind of the biggest hole I'm noticing is like this level where the two meet. So I'll lift all these up, and then this row, once I get to here, I'll lift these down. So that way it kind of gets rid of any holes and gaps and makes this tree look more realistic. Not that I want it to look realistic, but it just makes it look better. So that's what we're doing, and Michael's gonna go show you guys a couple of things we bought from Pottery Barn and unbox those. Super cute. I kind of like to mix and match high and low. A couple things I add to my Christmas collection every year. And I just think it's fun and special to kind of like grow that collection. Like there's some things that you've used for like 10 years or 20 years. So I always buy like a couple nice things from either like Front Gate or Pottery Barn or West Elm, so he'll show you that.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Christmas wreath. Looks like Alex is going for the Tarzan look this year.
What are you talking about? It's called Magnolia.
These are magnolias?
Yeah.
Looks like a loincloth.
I think I got like 3, you know? Or 2. I think I got 2, actually. Here's where we're switching things up a bit. I normally do a garland that it just looks like this. What kind of tree is this? Like pine?
No idea.
I don't know. But I normally do that type of garland, and just huge and like super voluminous, but I wanted something a little bit more modern for this house, and I think this is really beautiful. Don't you?
Yeah, I do like it.
It's kind of southern, like that magnolia tree.
Mm-hmm.
So I think this is really pretty. It's garland that, where do we get this?
Pottery Barn.
So this is from Pottery Barn. Now, they did have it at Target too, but when I went to buy it, it was sold out. And then I think maybe Michael's Craft Store or Home Depot had one. I will link tons of stuff in the description box for you guys, like similar things, lower price point things, more investment things, depending on what you like. But yeah, this was from Pottery Barn. I mean, yeah, a lot of places had the Magnolia stuff this year. So I'm trying to figure out how to kind of get this set up. It's 2 pieces, and you can see there's like a battery pack and there's built-in lights. And I also like that it has these little gold pieces. So I've kind of messed with this side so far. Okay, you can't fluff it as much as you can like a regular garland, but you can kind of like lay it the way that you want. You know what I mean? You can mess with it like a little bit. So right here, I think I might try to get like one of those command strips or something to make it kind of like that.
It's a very good idea.
I think that would look nicer. And then I think Julian also wouldn't notice it as much. We'll see how that goes.
Yeah, this is the first year where the Christmas tree, he's mobile.
Yeah, so I picked these up from where, Target?
No, that was Pottery Barn.
This was Pottery Barn too?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. So, can you hold for a second? So I just don't know what to do like right here. Maybe I cut a couple and like put it there. Like right there, it's like there's just this space. I think maybe they're meant to overlap. Let's try that. Just bringing this over in.
And stop.
There.
See, but now it's looking like that.
I know. That's better.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. So I picked up these really cute pillows from Target, all in the Christmas section except that one, but I still think it'll look nice. So I'm gonna set these up on the couch. He's not gonna be happy, but I think it'll be cute. I am gonna decorate this little vase I got from Target. I think it's really cute. It matches the one we have in our bathroom, remember?
Yes.
It's like a nice glass that kind of has a blue tint. And then I found these little cotton buds at Home. I saw like someone's house tour video and they had these little cotton buds. I just thought they looked like really cute and Christmassy. Like they kind of look like snowballs. So, let's see. I thought it might work in here. These were $3.99. Let's see what it looks like. I thought I got 4. I guess I only got 3. Kind of cute and minimal.
Is that all you can fit in? Just one?
I wonder if I cut like a little bit of it off because it's kind of a long thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but then it'll fall through.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe 2. Let's see what 2 looks like.
You can see all our dirty dishes.
We had celery juice. What?
I hate celery juice.
Yeah, they're like Pringles. Okay. That's cute.
I think you can fit 3.
Yeah, I think 3 will be perfect, actually. Do you think it looks semi-Christmassy? I mean,
Yeah.
it was in the Christmas section.
Yeah, I like it. Cotton fluffs of snow.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Where should we set it?
I think you pulled it off.
Just like
Front
right here
room.
in the island?
Front room.
I think it actually might be pretty here. Like if we kind of clean this off and situate it.
Yeah, it's just a little dirty.
Yeah. I wanted to show you guys the difference between the wreath I bought at Pottery Barn and then the dupe that I bought at Home. I mean, so right away you can see the difference in quality and color and size, but I do think that this gives a very similar look. So if you would rather just do something trendy, you don't know if you're gonna love this forever, this is $25. I'm thinking, I mean, it's still super cute. I obviously bought it. I was thinking I was gonna try to put it up there, and then maybe I'll use this one for our front door. So yeah, maybe that one for the front door. But, so you can see the comparison. Different texture and stuff. Can you do it? Right there. That's exactly it. Hold it. What happened? Cute. Okay. I wanted it like, yeah. Well, I think actually it looks fine from the front. Can you maybe just floof it? Oh man, don't ever ask your husband to block. But that middle leaf needs to be fixed.
This?
That and the one above your head. There we go, there we go. And then the very top to the center left, right there where your middle finger is on your left hand, up, 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 to your left, to your left, to your left, right there, that needs to be fixed. Push it in, nope, up the top leaf. The very top leaf, that one, yep, there we go. There we go, oh, you didn't fix it, okay. Okay, it looks good, it looks good. It looks so cute. I think it was Tiffany D that I saw do this. She always has great Christmas decorations. I'm going to do something there. That won't fit there though. There's this picture I saw on Pinterest. Look at that.
Can you not?
Reminds me of our steps here. So it's okay, but I think we can do it. I got this garland from Michael's. It's a specific type of tree also, so I'll link it. It's fake, but I think we're just gonna, we have a bunch of pieces. We'll kind of float it up the steps, and then we won't actually wrap it around with this, but we'll tie bows. They had white on the picture, but I think the red is gonna look really pretty.
Festive.
Very festive, yeah. So let's see, how do you think we'll make this work? Like wrap it around maybe? Because I don't wanna like start gluing stuff. I'm trying to figure out exactly where to go because our banister is a little bit different. Like that.
I guess where you had it.
You think the first one?
Yeah.
Because now this looks like, why are you going randomly through the second one? The first one makes sense. And the last one looks stupid.
Well, you should never listen to me. Ladies, never listen to your man. Bunch of idiots.
No, I think you're right. I think it has to go down to the bottom and all the way up. We're definitely making some progress. I feel like it looks super cute in here. You have to figure out where to put that chair for now. Maybe just kind of maneuver it in that corner better. But the pillows look really cute. We're getting other pillows too, but so far this is all I have. And I think it looks cute. That's exactly the look I was going for. I might put something else like right there, and then this is gonna go on the front door. So now I'm gonna dress up the table a little bit. I'm gonna move the chairs on the other side, put the bench like that. We had people over a couple weeks ago and I didn't want the chairs there because this was kind of like where we were taking pictures, but I can move them back now and set up my runner and my candles and decorations over here.
Decorations hanging from every tree make me wish my baby was here with me.
He just woke up. What do you think? Do you like it? Let's put it on the tree. So it has been a couple hours. I had to go run some errands, but I wanted to show you guys what my final thoughts were with the table. I'm not completely obsessed with it, but I think we're getting there. So I just did burlap.
Wait a minute, I thought it was green.
It didn't look good. I took the green thing off.
Oh.
So I did like the burlap with the beads and the glass. I almost think the thing I don't like is this.
There or in general?
There, yeah. But it's there for now. I might move it and just put one more of these in the middle and move that somewhere else. But I like the color scheme a lot. It's just, I don't know if maybe because this is green, it's throwing me off.
I thought that was blue.
Like a greenish blue, yeah. But overall, I like it. I think it's very cozy, cute. And then the living room, I really love. I actually think it'd be really cute if you put the red bows at every one of them. These are from Home Depot. I just only had the one. This is not meant to be here. This is here because Colby will try to go under it and go upstairs. And we don't like him walking up the stairs with his bad knees. But also, I was kind of worried about this being on the ground, but neither of them have even looked at it.
They will now. We should get a wreath on the baby gate.
Oh my god, that'd be so cute. So I love the wreath over the kitchen island, and the other one's gonna go outside. Kept it pretty minimal, pretty clean, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, I will link everything that I talked about or showed in different options and similar things down below in the description box. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it.
Share with your friends.
Share it with your friends, and don't forget, Good to Be launched going on November 15th, 16th, 17th. If you want any of our holiday pieces, get them now so you can wear them during Vlogmas and we can all be matching our cozy holiday sweaters together. Please subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.